Hello everyone.
All right, it's January 15th, 2020. Hard to believe. And I'm in one of my favorite places. It's about 5:15, 5:30 at night, and I'm walking back from Paradise Beach to Crucecita. Those are the mountains in the distance. And this is Oaxaca. So there's a little bit of a walk. So you just pace yourself. At least the sun is not beating down on me. Got a pack of dogs coming towards me. I've run into these things down here before, and I got lucky last time. These guys don't look too aggressive. That's good. Oh, another group up here. Maybe they're a fight. Yeah, it's why you always want to carry some sort of defensive item. I carry a stick, but you carry whatever you want. The other thing to keep in mind, see, there's lots of stones here. Dogs typically have things thrown at them all the time. So if you feign, or if you really do throw something, that will typically scatter them. There's a group of dogs that live in there. You can see them and hear them. All right. Okay. Making my way. The birds are very talkative tonight. I love it. They're talkative in this tree too. Yeah, you just gotta be careful they don't. This tree has a bum.